So hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Daily Gold Update where we analyze gold for possible intraday entries. If you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. Here we have a daily time frame chart in front of us and we can see this gold is trying to hold this level. Yesterday we were expecting market to test this area and again bounce, but instead of testing this area, price just gave us a breakout. Price have not tested this area and this one too. So this is a liquidity. It is possible that NFP will get a wick to this area and again pump. My main plan is still, if I get a test near this area, it would be a better opportunity to buy towards this high. And in worst case scenario, if we get a breakout before the drop, then price will create a new breakout structure and then it will drop. Because after the breakout structure, as we know, we have two POI. First is this one and then second POI will be this one here. And this will act as an inducement. So in NFP, if we get a breakout of this high and create a new breakout structure, creating a new ATH, then we will be expecting market to retrace towards this area again and pump. So my expectations are, we'll be watching for long opportunity on NFP. So let's see 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour, this area is still pending for the test and this one too. Last breakout structure in 4-hour was this one and this is our change of character. This is our breakout structure. So after the breakout structure, price should hold this area, but instead of holding, it create a drop. And as we know, in NFP mostly target equal highs and equal lows. We are having an equal high at 4549 and equal lows at here around 4397. So the first priority will be to watch a smaller time frame structure and act according to it. This is our market structure shift. And this is our liquidity hunt. So one of these two area will be targeted in NFP. Now let's see 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame, as you can see, price was running in decent uptrend. This was high. This is all an internal structure. We have a change of character. After that, retest of this structural area, higher highs, higher lows. And this is our change of character. After that, price was creating a lower highs and lower lows. And this was our last lower low. We were expecting price to test here and again drop, but instead of dropping, price just develop a breakout of this trend line. So what can we expect here is we will follow a 1 hour structure. In 1 hour structure, our last breakout structure was this one, and this was our structural high. We have a 2 candle closing above it. So after the 2 candle closing, this is a confirmed change of character. So this all downtrend is now absorbed, and our buying areas after the change of character is, first is this one, price is retested, try to pump again but fail and break below it. Now it is having a bearish retest. So price usually go for QML areas if the breaker block doesn't hold, then this is our QML zone. So price can go for this areas around 4444 to 4441. So our priority will be to watch for buy from here. First target will be this high, and second target will be this high. And then if this area also does not hold, then price likely to drop to us 786 to 618% of fib here in this zone, and we have a decent accumulation to support this area here. Then price is likely to wick to this area and again pump, and if you want to buy from this area, then the better place will be this sweep zone. We have a multiple test and a good reaction from this line. See this? So this price around 4427, your stop loss will be below this low. But don't buy blindly over here. Wait for price to drop here. Create a 5-minute or 15-minute structure area here, and then you can buy. So this 2 area will be my area of interest to buy, and my first target will be this high. Second will be this one, and third will be new ADH. And to support our structure, we have this trend line, and if I connect this one too, then this all price action will be a fake out. But better to play with this area. And upper rejection levels are this one. So price can test this trend line again, test our structural area and pump towards the top trend line around 4571. And if you want to get a precise target, then you can use fib here. Plot fib from top to bottom, and 1.618 will be your target, which is around 4558, and second target will be level 2, 4595. So currently price is bearish to this areas around 4444, and most probably in this kind of scenario price does not test this area because it have a strong support here, and this was the fake out. So price is likely to test this area and again pump. I'll be watching for first buy possibility from here, and internal structure here is bullish. We have a high liquidity hunt, higher high, higher low. This is higher high, and there somewhere here will be higher low and pump. So right now it is bearish. Now let's see 15-minute. In 15-minute structure, price was running in decent downtrend. You can see it was creating a high. This was our last breakout structure. Then the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, liquidity hunt, lower high, lower low. This is lower high and lower low. Why this liquidity hunt was not included? Because in 30-minute time frame, price was not closed below. Okay, the same thing was here, but now we have a change of character. So this is all a valid price action. Here we have a change of character because this was our last breakout structure. Let me remove this all, we don't need it right now. And then we have another breakout structure, test of structural areas, pump again, new breakout structure, and this is our high. So according to 15-minute time frame, this is also a buying zone, and liquidity hunt is possible. If liquidity hunts happen, then price can tap this area, again reclaim and pump. So wait for the perfect confirmation, guys. This will be a good buying opportunity here. We have a 1 hour structure change and price is trying to get aligned for this all structural areas, and right now price is trying to drop from this order block here. This is your target, this order block, this is your target. In 5-minute time frame, this was our last breakout structure. This is change of character, and this is your QML area test. So after the test, price is declining here, and we are expecting it to test here around 4452. So better to wait for these areas in NFP. If I get a confirmation of buying here, I will be watching for buy from this 2 areas. First will be this our QML zone, and then second area will be our extreme order block in 1 hour time frame, which is this one near about Fib levels of 618 to 786 here, which is aligned with our this mitigation block. So first priority will be this one, and second priority will be this 27 area. So this is gold right now, and now let's see silver. Silver is strongly bullish and it is holding these areas. As a retest, and this can be your target. Now let's say this area in 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour, price have tested this area and trying to hold it, because this was the last breakout structure. After that we don't have any significant retracement. Then let's go for 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour, the last breakout structure here is this one. So in silver, what can happen? This is our breakout structure to the upside. And this is also breakout structure. So this is our change of character in silver, and our buying zone are this QL zone, which is already been tapped, and first target is already hit, which is the recently created high. From QML area, first target is always the first recently created high. If this area gets break, this will be a new breakout structure, and our new buying areas will be mitigation block. If this area doesn't get break, price will drop more, test a structural order block near this one and pump again. So wait for this breakout in silver, then you can buy it for this target 82 and 84. We candle closing above, retest it, and you can buy. Now let's see BTC. In BTC, our last breakout structure is this one. If we get a change of character here, then I will be watching for buy. Before that, it is bearish. Wait for a change of character in 1 hour time frame in BTC above 91,600. Okay. This is our change of character area. Ethereum. Our plan was perfect in Ethereum. It have tested 4-hour structural areas, this one, and now it is bouncing. The major bounce from this area always lead to the target of this zone here. So you can expect Ethereum to pump till this area around 3156 to 3177, and if this area get flipped, you can buy for first target this high, and second target will be 3446. So this is the support zone, and price is trying to hold this, and if price break below this, this will be a short opportunity till this one here for the price of 2907. Euro is bearish now. We have a breakout structure here. This was our change of character. This is our breakout structure. So this is the mitigation block from where Euro is bearish now. For the decent entry, you can wait for this price, the closing one here. From here, it can again drop. And Euro is bullish in daily time frame. So it have a change of character here. The first breaker block is not holding, So next target will be QML area here. Price is likely to test this area, drop again, and I will be watching for buy opportunity here for the target of 1.18, and next target will be this high. GBP is still bullish, but it need a sweep here. This order block is pending for the test, and this low is acting as an inducement here. So price will sweep this, test this area, again pump for this high. If we see DXY, DXY is bearish right now. It have a change of character after sweeping this high, and this will be your resistance area. This is QML area. It will test this area and again drop. First target will be this low. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me, then we will wind up this session. Price is trying to drop here. It's creating evening star, again the double dodge evening, and this will be again an evening star. No questions? Okay, so let's recap. We are bullish in gold now because it have a 1 hour change of character. So this QML area and this bullish order block will be our buying priority for the target of this high around 4483, and second target will be the new ADH after breaking this high. So we are expecting market to react as a bullish target from this sweep like this one. And if in NFP I get a sweep of this low, test near this daily structural area, if price want to trap all the buyers here, then I will be watching for long from 4381 to 4355. And if you are going for long from here, then you should be having a tight invalidation below your structural levels. If you are going long from here, your stop loss will be 4433, and if you are going long from 27, your stop loss will be, if you want to tight stop loss, then your stop loss will be 4423, below this one here. Okay, we have questions. So gold is sell right now. It's look like, but I will prefer buy on retracement. If it create a evening star here, I will be watching for retest and drop again, and my first target will be this low. How you apply risk reward on retracement entries? just go for a structural areas and enter and buy. If you are entering here, your stop loss will be below this areas. This is your target. This is how you play. Okay guys, so we don't have any enough questions, so we will wind up the session over here. Thank you for joining. See you in the next session.